Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you see we are sorry about something ran wrong, please try again later. So how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so you can also just try to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just check your internet connection, so just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. Another thing you can try to open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, into general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again, so just simple restore your phone. And if you still have the error, so you can also just try to update your Instagram app, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.